Hello YouTube land, this is Stevie the Scotsman. I just want to make a quick video on effecting a repair on a cordless mower. This is a Yardworks 20-inch cordless mower that I use as a backup, and this happens to me model number 27T1242, item number and model number 25148. The reason for the video is that the actual problem that happened was there's a bar that moves this interlock switch here, and there's pieces of plastic that came off this mechanism. Now basically there's a mechanism here that activates this interlock switch, which basically, you know, there's two sets of contacts on here, normally closed, normally open, and it'll toggle between the two. Long story short was I had even problems trying to locate parts for the plastic, and you know what, the plastic is cheap crap. I use this more as a backup, so I'm like, okay, I'm going to effect a repair. So I did get, I'm an ex-aircraft guy, so I know I'm not a complete numbnut. So I actually went and got a 50 amp on-off DC toggle switch. Nah, I say DC, that's what it's rated at. So I knew that this toggle switch was going to be decent, it wasn't going to cause any problems. The interlock switch is rated at 25 amps, so I know that I'm pretty much sound. Though obviously I should have put heat shrink on here. You know, this is going to get buttoned up. So the bottom line is, as you can see, this is kind of like ghetto, but you know what, I use this thing once every 3 years. I didn't want to throw it in the trash because it is a good backup. You know, if it's like April or May and I need a backup while I'm working on the carb on the mower. So anyway, long story short, couple of zip ties on here, just snug it up, make sure the interlock switch is closed, and then you pretty much, this is actually the 24 volt feed, so if you've got a meter, I just happen to use a 24 volt feed. So 24 volt feed comes in here, goes through that toggle switch, and then out to the input where the interlock switch was. So really all you're doing, you're just putting a toggle switch in series. So I was able to save the mower. You know, I mean, obviously it's not pretty. On the outside here you have a toggle switch. I use a piece of sheet metal just to get a decent sized washer, and I've got a toggle switch on there, and I guess I'll just prove that it works. So there you go guys, if you want to just pay 15 bucks for a switch, you have a soldering iron, or you can get a hold of one, or you can crimp it, however you want to do it. It's just something to think about. Like I said, some people are like, that's ghetto Stevie, but you know what, for a piece of backup equipment we don't have to worry about epoxying pieces of plastic, dealing with interlock switches and all that crap. I can justify it. Like I say in all my videos, if it's helped one person, it's been worth it. So all the best guys, cheers, bye.